Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Samsung just dropped a wave of new devices, and they're not holding back. From a bold redesign of the Z Flip 7 with its massive new outer display and upgraded camera, to a sleeker Z Fold 7 that finally feels like a true daily driver, plus a surprise Galaxy Watch 8 series with all new health tracking features you've never seen before. Curious about what's new, what's improved, and what's worth your money? Stick around. This is the full breakdown you don't want to miss. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Let's kick things off with the design of the Z Fold 7. In its folded state, the Z Fold 7 finally breaks away from the TV remote look. The cover display now boasts a 2520 by 1080 resolution with a more conventional 29 aspect ratio, far more visually balanced than the previous generation's odd 22.19. Even more impressive is the body width. It's gone from a narrow 68.1 millimeters to a much more comfortable 72.8 millimeters, almost matching the iPhone 16 Pro's 71.5 millimeters. The result, it feels noticeably more natural in the hand. But what really caught my attention is its slimmer profile when folded. The official thickness is now just 8.9 millimeters, an impressive reduction. Compared to the previous generation's chunky 12.1 millimeters, it feels like we've leapt from centimeters into the millimeter era. The weight has also dropped from 239 grams to just 215 grams, making it one of the lightest in the large foldable category. For context, the Galaxy S25 Ultra measures 8.2 millimeters thick and weighs 218 grams, making this a close match. Now let's talk about the unfolded experience. The Z Fold 7 opens up to a massive 8-inch inner display with a 2148 by 1968 resolution. This time, Samsung has swapped out the under-display camera for a more practical punch hole cutout. Yes, it may be slightly more noticeable, but it's significantly more functional. The new 10 megapixel front camera is great for video calls and selfies. It no longer feels hidden or compromised. And what about the crease, you ask? I've captured some real-world footage to show you. While the crease hasn't vanished, it's definitely more subtle and less distracting than before. To be fair, concerns about creases often come from those who haven't actually used a foldable. But after using multiple generations myself, I'm starting to agree. It's really not that big of a deal anymore. Let's move on to the camera module. The rear setup still features a familiar triple lens design, maintaining the signature look of the series. However, the decorative ring textures have been toned down, giving the module a cleaner and more minimalist appearance. At the core is a powerful 200 megapixel main sensor with an f1.7 aperture and a large sensor size, likely the same one used in the Galaxy S25 Edge. Its performance remains consistently dependable. Supporting it is a 10 megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom and a 12 megapixel ultra-wide lens. These two appear largely unchanged from the previous generation. Overall, the camera system is well-rounded and capable, though not exactly pushing new boundaries. Now, let's explore the rest of the hardware setup. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy mobile platform, ensuring top-tier performance. It houses a 4400 mAh battery, offering solid endurance for daily tasks. As for color options, it comes in 3 standard finishes: blue shadow, silver shadow, and jet black, with a fresh mint shade also in the mix. Additionally, Samsung's online store features an exclusive cyan frost green variant for those wanting something more unique. Overall, the Z Fold 7 feels like the most practical and refined foldable yet. It's lighter, thinner, and the outer screen now has a more balanced and user-friendly design. If you previously thought the Z Fold series wasn't portable enough or didn't feel like a true smartphone, this generation might just change your perception. Launching alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is a reimagined take on what a foldable daily driver should be. There's also a brand new addition to the Galaxy family, introducing the Z Flip 7 FE and the all-new Galaxy Watch 8 series, both of which bring exciting functional upgrades this year. Let's start with the Z Flip 7. One of the most noticeable upgrades in this generation is the outer display, which now spans 4.1 inches. With ultra-narrow bezels, it covers nearly the entire top half of the phone, delivering a stronger visual punch. When unfolded, the device maintains a 20.9 aspect ratio for a more balanced feel. On the camera front, the Z Flip 7 features a 50 megapixel main sensor paired with a 12 megapixel ultra-wide lens. marking a clear step forward. Battery capacity has also seen a welcome boost, now up to 4,300 mAh, a figure that might even make the Z Fold 7 feel a bit shy. As for colors, the Z Flip 7 is available in shadow blue, coral red, and shadow black, along with a Samsung store exclusive frost green finish. Now let's talk about the more affordable Z Flip 7 FE. From its design to specs, it closely resembles the previous gen Flip. So far, it's been spotted in minimalistic black and white color options, perfect for those who prefer a more understated look. Turning to the wearables, this year's Galaxy Watch 8 series also brings several key upgrades. Most notably, the classic variant makes a comeback. Great news for fans of the rotating bezel. Two entirely new health metrics have been introduced: antioxidant index and vascular load. For now, these features appear to be exclusive to the Watch 8 series. Whether this will spark a wave of trade-ins remains to be seen. And that wraps up a quick overview of the fresh lineup unveiled at Samsung's latest event. Which product caught your eye the most? What feature truly stood out to you? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on X, formerly Twitter, for the latest tech updates and exclusive gadget deals. Also, I just uploaded in-depth reviews of the Vivo X200 FE and the Vivo X Fold 5, both launching on July 14th. If you haven't watched those videos yet, you'll find the links down in the description.